What's up guys, I'm at Sneakercon today and my goal for today is find the most expensive pair of sneakers on sale at Sneakercon. And the reason I'm doing that is because honestly, I don't really have a good reason. I'm just trying to find the most expensive pair because I think it'd be cool to figure it out. The first place that I stopped was Solection to find out what their most expensive pair was, and it's the Big Apple NMDs right here. This is like one of 200?
Numbers on the inside too. You can look at it and see what number that is on the inside.
Oh, that's nuts. So, number 45. That's crazy. So this is going for $2,300, which is pretty solid. So I'm at Kickstart right now, and I'm looking at some of their pairs that they have, and they've got a lot of samples, a lot of crazy stuff. We got these Futurecraft samples right here, which is crazy because it looks like they're on an Ultra Boost 1.0 upper. But then the craziest pair that they have right here is this Pharrell pair. $15,000 the last pair sold for. That's definitely a front runner for most expensive pair at Sneakercon. Guys, continuing on with searching for the most expensive pair at Sneakercon, I'm at Loaded Kicks booth, and they actually have a pair of the We The Best 3s. You guys know it's DJ Khaled's pair. It's crazy. I think he released them at Stadium Goods. I think that was how they dropped, but they have them for 9.5, which actually isn't bad, but it's because they're like a little worn. But still, one of the most expensive kicks here by far. So guys, I just came over to the Prestige booth, and they actually have some pretty incredible shoes. They've got the Spike Lee Air Jordan 1s right there, going for $3 grand. That's actually not a bad price. I remember when they released, I was trying to wait in line for them, but I had work. You know, now that I just do YouTube for a living, maybe I could start getting more stuff like that, but I still doubt it. I'm at the Band LA booth. You guys have definitely heard about them, but I was asking them what their most expensive pair of kicks that they had. They don't have it anymore, but of course, it was the Air Mags. They had them here yesterday. You guys know everything about the Air Mags, but they also have a wall of Off-White too, which is pretty fire. Really quick, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Reshoevn8r. Reshoevn8r is my go-to when it comes to all my sneaker cleaning needs. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, August 8th, is the very first annual Reshoevn8r Day. And in order to celebrate tomorrow only, you can use my code REDAYSETH for 40% off your entire order. This code is only valid from 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, August 8th. So make sure to click the link in the description below to check out Reshoevn8r and use my code REDAYSETH for 40% off your entire order. So I've stopped by the tables, I've stopped by the stores, but now the place to hit up is the trading floor. And the trading floor is always insane. There's not usually anything crazy, but you never know. See what's going on. So I found someone with an amazing collection. He's got some insane sneakers. He's got a DeMar DeRozan pair of Kobe's that are signed. The magazine signer there, the Equality LeBrons, all sorts of insane stuff. So that's a DeMar DeRozan pair?
Yeah, that's a DeMar DeRozan pair. I got two pairs. I sold the other one for $35. I sold the other one for $3,000. So I got like $65,000, $6,500.
That's crazy.
You're not gonna see this in person.
No way.
Friends and Family Air Force One Fragment.
No way. No way. The Fragment Friends and Family Air Force One. That's nuts, man. So I'm at the Soul Stage booth at Sneakercon, and their most expensive pair, of course, is the Undefeated 4s. It's everyone's grail, it's fire, it's incredible. If you're trying to grab this pair of Undefeated, it goes for $30,000. I mean, that's probably gonna be the winner if I'm honest. Maybe I'll put the score at the end of the video, so it's more climactic, we'll see. So guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today. As you guys know, the most expensive pair that we found was the Undefeated 4s. No surprise there, $30,000. That's pretty insane, but I mean, when there's only like, what, 72 or like 50 pairs like that, it makes sense. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't. Once I hit 250,000 subscribers, we're doing an insane giveaway. And I'm not saying like GR stuff, basic stuff. I'm talking like more hype stuff. I can't tell you guys what it is yet, but it'll be something dope. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram at @RealSethFowler and also on Twitter under the same username. And that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you guys for watching.